What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, silly goose? Are you acting silly with your hiccups? Yeah.
Hiccup. Hiccup.
What are you doing, Gabby? What are you doing, silly goose? What are you doing? Oh my God, that was hilarious. Ready? Go. Oh, you got to turn them sideways. Turn them to the side. You help her, Daddy?
Ready?
Look.
Go.
Woo!
You gotta let it go.
Woo!
Ready, go.
Whee! You missed it. That one went all the way.
Ready, go. Ready.
Sing it.
Go.
Cotton Eye Joe. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go?
Okay. Thank you, precious.
Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Yeah, good job. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Hey.
Flying. Cars.
Yes.
Ready, go.
All right. How cool. Yeah, you found a PC. How cool. Who got you that racetrack? Who gave you that? Who gave you that present? Mima and Papa? Yeah. They got you that racetrack. Yeah. Yeah. Take out your passy so I can hear you talk. Are you wore out? Are you tired?
Binky.
You got the hiccups.
Binky.
You need a binky?
Binky.
I think your blanky's upstairs. Do you need me to get you a blankie?
Binky.
How about that white blankie right there? Will that work for now?
Oh, you, Binky.
Oh, okay.
Binky.
All right.